Welcome, we are going to look at the jigging process. Standard should be available at the station. First of all, standard should be clear, visible, quantified and doable. We need to go through standard in step-by-step process. To be legible, quantify and doable by the user. Place the setting trolley in the charge preparation area and model of jig. Jigging of parts is vary from part families and model to model. We are now see about cover plate family, in that the jig quantity layer and rod quantity is mentioned in a separate standard called jigging quantity work standard.
We going to see the cover plate model. Need to open the fence gate of the loaded trolley and take the cover plate. In that we have to put into the center slotted hole of cover plate by 8 mm rod from the rod collecting tray in the trolley. Take 4 or 2 numbers of cover plate put into a rod like this per rod. 14 cover plate need to do and hang in the jig slot which is behind the facing side. The slot had stopper which avoid
Standard should be clear, visible, quantified and doable. Clear, to be legible and to be understandable. Visible, available at the station and it should be in user language. Automation standard detailed in step-by-step manner. Now look out those steps. First of all, we need to select the program by clicking the main menu. For cover plate we have to select the program number 1. After choosing the program, press the tank reset in the display, then press the auto start button below. Take 75 ml of samples from alkaline degreasing, derusting and through titration method based on the standard called bath analysis, and the reading is noted once in 2 hours.
Program make sure the clamping while lifting the load in the loading station. In the alkaline degreasing bath, temperature need to maintain 80 to 90 degrees Celsius as per standard. The actual temperature of the liquid chemical is measured through temperature controller. Likewise, in phosphating bath, temperature need to maintain 70 to 80 degrees Celsius as per standard. The actual temperature of the liquid chemical is measured through temperature controller. In dryer, the temperature need to maintain 80 to 90 degrees Celsius as per standard. The actual temperature of the air is measured through temperature controller. All of these above temperature readings should be monitored once in 2 hours.
Standard should clear, visible, quantified and doable. Clear, to be legible and to be understandable. Visible, available at the station. Final inspection standard says detailed by all of these above manner.
Open the fence gate lock by lift and rotating anti-clockwise direction on left and right vice versa. Then down the fence gate, take 10 numbers of part and at 2 row on left hand side of the table. Take a single cover plate from the left hand side of the table and it should be held by 2 hands like holding the car steering. In the front side of the cover plate, make Valeo logo as origin and inspect the part by rotating the cover plate to 360 degree at clockwise direction towards the Valeo logo and then flip the cover plate same as like front side. Need to inspect 360 degree by rotating it in clockwise direction. Finally, if there is no defect in it, it's said to be okay, then mark it as S stands for Sripe Rambuddha in the front side of the cover plate and model initial. Need to mention in the lengthy portion of the cover plate as well as date and shift on the outer surface of the cover plate in the back side in a blue permanent marker and kept it in the right hand side of the table. If the cover plate is rejection, then in the defect region make a circle to pinpoint in a red color permanent marker and kept in a red bin which is under the inspection table.